Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about Cortland apples. These apples were first produced in the state of New York, here in the United States, in 1898. They were named for Cortland County, New York, and they have become one of the most commonly grown apples in the state of New York. They're a cross between a McIntosh and Ben Davis apples. Regarding their characteristics, Cortland apples are bright red with crisp white flesh that's very juicy with a sweet tart flavor. They do not brown as quickly as some apple varieties, which is a real plus for Cortland apples. They're at their best when they're eaten soon after being picked because the flavor and the crispness tend to dwindle with age. And they do not store exceptionally well, so they should be used soon after being harvested for the best flavor and texture. That's an important point to note there. So if you buy Cortland apples, you want to use them right away. You don't want to try to store them for any length of time. Best uses for Cortland apples: they can be eaten raw and cut up into salads. They can be also used in any cooking or baking application, including cakes and tarts, cobblers, quiches, soups, sauces, and apple preserves as well. They can even be made into apple juice and apple cider. And since they're slow to turn brown, they can be sliced thin and added to a sandwich or a burger or even a quesadilla. They can be used in dips in place of crackers. And Cortland apples pair well with cheeses. I do hope this helps you out. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.